In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Facebook Messenger voice messages with no sound on Android. Let's get started. First, you'll need to check volume settings. Make sure your phone's media volume is turned up. Sometimes the voice message is playing but the media sound is muted or too low. Next up, restart Messenger. Close the Messenger app completely and reopen it. A quick refresh can often fix temporary glitches. Next, clear cache. For that, launch settings, navigate to the option apps. Now, from the list of apps, find Messenger and launch it. Now click on the option storage. Then click on the option clear cache. Then head back. Now navigate to the option permissions. Make sure you have allowed it camera, likewise microphone. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is update your Messenger. So close this, launch your Play Store, search for the app Messenger. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Lastly, give a fresh restart to your device. This clears background issues and resets audio drivers, and that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix voice message sound issues on Facebook Messenger for Android device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.